Well, I had two partial knee replacements fail for 5 years now, and I couldn't take the pain, and I'm ready to get them done.
And then what has it been like trying to find help?
It's been difficult. It's been 5 years of a lot of frustration, sadness,
Yeah.
Any emotion you think of. It's just affected every phase of my life in a negative way.
How long did they really do well for you, or was there a time where they did well? Never?
Never.
Were your legs ever perfectly straight after surgery?
No. I'm a cyclist. I haven't cycled in 5 years. That's my therapy.
Yeah.
And I love to golf. I haven't golfed in almost 7 years now.
Yeah.
Those are my two things. It's just general activity, being social again.
Yeah.
And pretty much it. Getting back to work. Haven't worked in 5 years either.
Yeah. So that's your life.
That's it in a nutshell. My legs were 7 inches apart, 7.5 inches apart before surgery, and now they touch. I have straight legs now. Nothing ever worked, and which led to me being on my back for almost 5 years before I met Dr. Long, and here we are now.